So in my job at DWR, we do a lot of biological monitoring to study the impacts of water operations in California. As organisms move through the environment, they shed DNA. And we can detect this DNA, which we then call environmental DNA, using genetic tests and methods. And it's really important because it allows us to detect things that we may not be able to see.
The advantage of using eDNA for sampling some of these species is that many of the species we're looking for are extremely rare, and they're hard to find with our more traditional sampling methods. So this allows us to look for the signal that the fish is leaving in the water when we may not be able to actually find the fish itself.
With all these DNA techniques, we can be more precise and specific in detecting the cyanobacteria species that are toxic. They act as an early warning, and we can anticipate and protect better the resources and human health.
Including all people who identify as women in the scientific process is essential for us to answer these important management questions. Without those diverse backgrounds and sources of knowledge, we aren't as well equipped to answer the questions that we're hoping to answer.
So what I would say to young women who want to get into science, and so I have a young daughter and I have another one on the way, what I would tell them is that your voice matters, your ideas are important. And even though it might take a lot of hard work, to never give up, because there's a place for you here, and you will be welcome in this community.